Good times, huh? Look at all the memories. All a little fun. Yep, there's a little bit of Ocala there, and there's a little bit of towing the boat over there. It's been good, but don't dwell on the past. You got to check out the future. So let's make some new memories. Look how pretty. Let's get out there, scratch her up, and see what kind of fun and trouble we can get into. Just like buying your boat, it's the two happiest days of your life. Look at her. Now that you got her all cleaned up and everything, you're like, no, I don't want to sell it. I don't. What am I selling it for? Why get a big payment? Well, she looks great. Look at that shine. Nothing little polish can't do on her. She's looking wonderful. But everything comes to an end. Had a lot of fun with her, especially up in the Ocala area. You realize that, hey, if you wash it and wax it once in a while, it's really a darn nice truck. Why get rid of it? But time to upgrade, little creature comforts. But she's clean, man. What are you gonna do with her? So, adios and bye-bye. It's been a hell of a ride. But pulling that 11,000 pound boat, she's maxed out and she's just not exactly what she's gonna be, you know? So, even with the airbags, you got the airbags in here. So, she's maxed out. She's all shined up and polished. Gonna have to give her away to somebody, some lucky person. Everything has an end. The kids got a new 250. Pulling a boat with a 150, it was all right. She was doing the job, but now we got a 250. We ordered it in November, and she just came in now in March. So we've got about 4 days on it, just learning it, getting used to it all. 7.3 Godzilla. I can't really justify buying the diesel. I just simply don't pull enough with it. 8-foot bed, lots of room to put all the stuff we're toting. Big box. I think it's going to tow like a champ. What a difference from a 150 to a 250. Just completely different. Wow. Going over the speed bumps. I haven't really had to stop yet and anything, but just the feel and the stiffness and how much more welcoming it is. Bought it out of Birmingham, Alabama. Ordered it in November. Town and Country Ford. Guy named Jay. We just bought it online, one price, and it was worth going from South Florida out there to pick it up. So buying a car is just a big hassle, but when things are good, I'll tell everybody. When things are bad, I'm gonna tell everybody else. It's just like buying the boat and running it rough. So we're just getting used to her. Of course, I got the little massaging seats. All day out on water, you want to come home and just get a nice little massage, get you all cooked up for it. So the only thing I can see, well, and I'm brand new at it, it seems like the running boards, I have to go through a couple of different menus to turn the running boards off. I think by cleaning the boat, going in and out of the truck, it's going to go open and close, and it just seems like it's a little bit of a headache. A little bit more of a step, a couple of extra steps disengaging the running boards, and maybe it's not, maybe it's right there in front of me. Just getting new to it. Something else I did notice, finally, look at these sizes of the hooks. You know, you always had those little dinky hooks on there to put your chains. That was always a pain in the neck. They think we're a bunch of kids. So finally, that's nice and big. I do like that. And got the old man step. On my other truck, I laughed at this too. I go, who's gonna have that? Hey, now that I'm the old man, woohoo! The old man loves the steps. So, power. Got the power back air and the lights, just in case you need it or something. I don't really, they copied all these steps from Chevy there and over here. Not crazy about them. I don't even like the look of this truck as compared to the previous generation. I think that one was a little bit better before they copied those from Chevy on there, so it's but then again, I didn't like the look of my last F-150 either. So one thing I did get is these extra little steps here, so they go down. On this one goes up and out, so if they would have eliminated this one, I would have been happy with it. 8-foot bed, 8-foot bed, $200 more for 2 extra feet. Hemming and hawing about buying it? Absolutely, absolutely. No one ever complained about having the longer bed. Drive wise adds just a little bit. Turning radius goes from 50 feet to 55, so that's nothing. So, and it bumps up your gas. Your fuel tank goes to 48 gallons. So it's well, you're probably going to need it because it's probably going to drink it like a fish. But it's good. It's good. I'm very excited. Can't wait to pull the boat with it. Very maybe much more in control. Kind of what it's like. I mean, the truck's not even working. Find out all the nuances and all the electronics is crazy on it. So I'll keep you informed on what I find and what I explore, and we'll have fun with it together. Good addition to the boat.